And in entertainment, the managing director of JA Plant Pool and SA Automobile, Ajwa Frimpong Nimakubuaten, has expressed her appreciation to all workers of JA Plant Pool for their hard work over the years. And speaking at a cooking competition for the employees, she said JA Plant Pool has chalked all of its successes due to their dedication and as such encouraged them to be steadfast.
Hiring and rental, finance, administration and human relation, warehouse, technical and the marketing and customer care departments keenly contested for the bragging rights of this year's cooking competition. The competition is one of the many activities outlined to mark the Jospon Group Employee Month. Speaking to Metro News, the managing director of JA Plant Pool and SA Automobile, Ajwa Frimpong Nimakubuaten, expressed her appreciation to the workers and encouraged them to keep delivering on their duties. According to her, the Human Resource Department has prepared other interesting activities for the rest of the year.
We want to celebrate them. Without them, there will be no business. Even when the customers come and we have nobody to serve them, we wouldn't be in business. We appreciate them over the years. They've done tremendously well, and we know that we can still do more, so we encourage my colleagues that we should keep on doing what we do to better what we do and churn out good figures at the end of the day. We hope to have this become a yearly thing, so every May you will see us celebrating our staffs. But beyond that, the HR department, they've rolled out a lot of activities that we hope it will help to be able to bring up teamwork and still build the morale of the people. So we have a whole program lined up for the whole year.
At the end of the competition, the finance department was declared winners of the competition, with the marketing and customer care and also the warehouse department placing first and second runner-up respectively. Expressing their joy, winners of the competition described the competition as a creative way of appreciating employees and appealed to management to make it an annual event.
Generally, I would say it is a very good and a very creative way of celebrating our employees, and we would like to congratulate management and tell management that they should keep it up, and then every year as it started, it should continue like that.
JA Plant Pool is a subsidiary of the Jospon Group and a leading supplier of heavy-duty trucks, earth-moving equipment, luxurious buses, among other things. The competition was held at the premises of the company and was sponsored by UNGA.